What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today we're going to be making some curry shrimp, and I'm just gonna season it with, I have here my turmeric powder, turmeric, Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, some seafood seasoning, my Maggi, okay, and I'm just gonna rub this in. Okay, so this is rubbed in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna melt some butter. Got some butter here melting in my pot. I'm going to add some garlic, tablespoon of garlic, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of curry powder. Okay. As you can see, it's just a little bit of butter. Trying to cut down on the cholesterol. We can use olive oil, but the butter gives it a nice flavor. You don't want to burn the curry too much because it will get bitter. Okay, and we're gonna add our shrimp. Okay, we're just gonna leave this, toss it around and leave it to cook up for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna add our vegetables. Okay, goodies, so now I'm going to add my vegetables, and I'm just going to add some bell peppers, hot peppers, scallion, some thyme, green onion. So just onion, green onion, bell peppers, scallion, and thyme. And I'm just going to toss this around for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add our water to it. Not much water because, you know, shrimp does not take a lot of time to cook. Okay, my people, so now I'm going to add the water. And I just add water to the pan that we seasoned the shrimp in. So we're just gonna leave this now to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay? Alright, goodies, so that's the progress so far. You can let it the gravy get a little bit thicker if you like. But that's basically it. Look how beautiful it's looking. Beautiful. You don't want to overcook your shrimp either. Let me know if you like this recipe and if you will be trying it. You can also make coconut curry shrimp the same way. You just add coconut milk instead of water and cook it down. Just a little bit of water and some coconut milk and cook it down, and you get coconut curry shrimp. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.